Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to understand Cleo's financial jargon explanations. Are you confused by terms like APR, utilization, or network? Now don't worry, Cleo breaks it down in plain, snarky English. Here's how to get jargon-free definitions. Step 1. Open Cleo's chat feature. Now from the app's home screen, you want to tap the chat icon to talk directly with Cleo. Step 2, type in the confusing term. Like you could ask something like, what is APR, or explain credit utilization. Step 3, read the simplified definition. Now Cleo provides a short, funny, and easy to understand explanation without, the financial professor vibes. Step 4, ask follow-up questions. Now if you need more details, you can say, give me an example, or why does that matter to me? Cleo will break it down even further. Step 5, use what you learn to make better money choices. Understanding terms like interest rates or overdrafts will help you to avoid bad deals and to make smarter decisions. So you want to use what you learn to make better financial decisions. Cleo, not just your budget buddy, it's your pocket-sized financial translator. No more Googling confusing money lingo ever again. Just with Cleo, you can get perfect understanding. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.